Hi everyone and welcome to our channel specialized in designing MATLAB applications. This video presents a digital version of Sinusoid Function Generator, a very popular device used in electrical and electronics engineering. This is the second version with enhanced code and more features. Through this app, the user can adjust the phase, amplitude, bias and frequency on real time. We can see these parameters can be adjusted on real time online. Also, the user can adjust the simulation speed, this speed, step size resolution, this one, and simulation time in seconds. Moreover, the plot is fully configurable where the user can control the appearance of X and Y grid, the grid color, grid transparency, plotting mode, which can be a plot, log, semi-log on x-axis, semi-log on y-axis, and also plot marker, line color, and line width. All can be adjusted and configured. Furthermore, the user can start, pause, resume, or stop the simulation at any moment, as well as exiting the app or reopening again. Now let's start the app to see it in action. Let's run it. Let's run it and change the parameters as per our wish. Let's run it. We can see that one. We can adjust phase. Can adjust it more. We can return it back. We can adjust amplitude more. Or less. We can put it on this value. Also, we can make it more faster by adjusting this value to maximum. We can see it like this. Let's adjust, for example, bias. Let's decrease the speed, 1.95 again. Or let's stop it and let's make a new one. Let's start it again. We can adjust frequency, more frequency, more frequency, low frequency. We can change the plot color to, for example, pink or cyan. We can also increase the width like this. We can increase also the transparency of grid. We can change the grid color to, for example, yellow. We can decrease the transparency. We can change the plot style to, for example, log X or log Y or log or just the normal one, plot. We can change the line type also to, for example, this one or this or any other type. We can fix it again to this one. We can remove the grid on x-axis and y-axis, or we can show just the x-axis grid or both. And also the step size resolution, we can increase it so we can see the effect of that one on the lines, we can see, for example, this one, because of the step size, more points. We can pause it, resume it, or stop it, and we can also exit from the application. At the end, you can download the entire project from the link given in the description box or by visiting our official website www.matlab-apps.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to discover more apps designed and developed by us. Goodbye.